Hey, it's Chef Austin. At Everything Kitchens, we tested out our top mixers to find the perfect match for your cooking style. We're going to look at the Smeg mixer. Smeg is an Italian manufacturer that was founded in 1948. They create tasteful and elegant home appliances with the quality you'd expect from Italy. We put this mixer to the test to learn everything you need to know about the Smeg. The Smeg 50 style stand mixer takes classic car influences with its gorgeous rounded edges, the hefty steel and die-cast aluminum build, and of course, chrome accents. We're showing off our pastel blue mixer here. Smeg does offer a handful of vintage colors to choose from, like Hot Rod Red or that 50s Kitchen pastel green. Under the hood, you're gonna find a 600 watt motor. That's almost twice the power of your standard KitchenAid artisan mixer. This powerful motor helps the Smeg easily knead through sticky and tough bread doughs. In our test, it evenly mixed and kneaded our sticky pizza dough without a hitch. Using the Smeg is like driving a luxury Cadillac. It's an incredibly smooth ride thanks to the smooth start speed control. Changing between mixing speeds is a buttery smooth transition, unlike in other mixers where there's heavy clunks in between mixing speeds. The smooth start begins slow and then gradually increases speed. This helps prevent damage to the internal components of the mixer and prevents things from flying out of your mixing bowl when you're making cookies. To test the mixing capability of the Smeg, we made my great Aunt Rose's Chicago-style chocolate chip cookies. The mixing paddle did a great job evenly mixing and incorporating all the ingredients. We did not have to scrape the sides of the bowl, and there were no unmixed streaks of ingredients throughout the whole batter. The tilt head did have a little bit of shaking while we were adding in the chocolate chips, but that's expected with tilt head mixers. The front of the mixer has a removable hubcap that reveals the attachment hub. The attachment hub is used for Smeg's meat grinder, pasta roller attachments, and other slicer shredder attachments. On the rear of the mixer, you're going to see the tilt head release button. This large button is easy to press, which raises and locks, and then press it once more to unlock and lower it again. The Smeg is a beautiful piece of mixing equipment. It combines power and functionality with a beautiful 1950s retro design. The Italian engineering will excel at all of your mixing tasks thanks to the powerful 600 watt motor that you're not going to find in your everyday tilt head mixer. The designer Smeg will make a statement in your kitchen with its 50s style design and will become the centerpiece for your kitchen. If you want to complete your kitchen 50s theme, Smeg offers matching appliances like their blenders, toasters, and espresso machine, all in their designer vintage colors. If you want to know more about the Smeg mixer, check the link in the description below to read the full article at Everything Kitchens. If you're not already a member of our Chef Perks program, join for free to earn rewards, exclusive savings, and faster shipping on all your orders from everythingkitchens.com. If you like this video, please press that like button below and subscribe for more kitchen reviews and tips from me, Chef Austin.